Okay guys, now I want to show you there is no internet, Wi-Fi is closed, Bluetooth is off, and you can open only location, so the phone can determine only your location. So now if you see everything is off, what I'm going to do, okay, so let me on the Amazon here, and here you can see Amazon, eBay, or any website. If I open, or even the YouTube itself, go to the home screen, there's no connection. Free internet device right here, and put it only on the top, just like that. If you have iPhone, if you have Galaxy, anywhere, if you, no matter you are in US, you can get a satellite internet. No matter you are in the city, you are in the desert, you are in the jungle. Now everything, as you can see, it's not working, and everything in the background. I open it. Now I'm going to click try again. Here, 1 2 3, boom, it's working. I'm going to give you complete detail how it works, but first let me show you some demonstration educational purpose video. Do some browsing, very smooth on Amazon, thumbs up for that. Let's go back to the YouTube, and here you can see online less test comparison, my channel, and here you can see video automatically start run. I don't want to click, otherwise advertisement will come. So now you can see my videos here on YouTube. Okay, so yeah, this is a simple, easy, very easy demonstration, but behind how I made it, I want to show you a detailed video how I made it step by step. First thing, I will bring out the phone from here. You see the phone is out here, and for a while we put our device here on the side. Let me zoom here. Okay, if you see, there is no Wi-Fi, and Wi-Fi is closed, only location on. And here you can see our old Amazon. I open, and here you can see nothing working because it's not connected. Again YouTube, nothing here. As you can see, nothing here. So now how I do it, let me explain you. Okay, so here's the can. We have to take some empty can, and the can just have one big magnet from the old speaker. These magnet you can mostly find from the old speaker, and this one is copper coiling on the side. Okay, and then there is a one SIM card backed by the aluminum sheet. This is only the tape. I can remove the tape here. As you can see, the SIM card is safe. So once I put the magnet, so because of the tape, plastic is not directly touch to any part of the SIM, but is isolate the SIM. And here you can see the SIM, and here the magnet come in the middle. Okay, just like that. So one thing, and behind, if you see, this is aluminum tape. I used to If you use the normal aluminum, you have to put a glue or solution, so I use the aluminum tape. You can get it online. Here it is, and as you can see, exactly, easy to understand and easy to see. Okay, and the last thing, the magnet in the middle. I put one magnet in the middle, if you see here. This is the magnet. Let me try if it can come out, but it's a little bit difficult. But I have the way, of course. I have my way. But let's see if another big magnet can bring it out. It's very strong magnet. I think it's not gonna come out from anywhere. Even I'm using the big magnet to bring out the, oh my god, everywhere magnets, just non-stop. That was forever. Wow. I will maybe use the tweezer or something, so it's not important, but actually the main thing is I show you how actually I put it in the middle, just something like a screw, and I just place exactly in the middle. This magnet, the size is 1 mm thick, 1 mm to 2 mm thick, and 10 mm diameter. Okay, so yeah, that's everything. And this magnet, sure, you have to know this magnet also. This magnet is let me measure better. Let me bring the measurement. Okay, so now we have here the ruler. So I'm giving you example for your ease. Here you can see the magnet size is 4 centimeter. Okay, and exactly 6 mm thick, less than 1 centimeter, and the middle hole is actually 2 centimeter, almost less than 2 actually, but yeah, a little bit slightly up and down is okay. So here the simple easy things. SIM card is a standard SIM card. SIM card should be not dead one. Sometimes some SIM card used with the different method with the dead one also. That place I mentioned, even you can use the dead old SIM card. But if you want a satellite internet, you want your SIM is connected anywhere from the satellite, and you are in the desert, you are in the jungle or anywhere, then you should to have a activated SIM card with the aluminum tape, and then you have one empty can and one magnet inside. Exactly simple way, but exact the same way. And you can see this can, you see the can color, this can color is different than white can. So keep this thing in your mind. Sometimes people, they little bit different than the videos, and sometimes they have a disappointment. So please watch carefully again. And yeah, I make first time this video, I will give you in the down link the part 1, the how I start first time, and after a lot of people successful and they like that video, so I decided to make this video again here. So yeah, if you have any question, you can ask me down in the comment. This video is demonstration, educational purpose, idea, concept video, all my videos actually basically. So I need to protect my privacy and rights because YouTube is very strict currently, and we have to be very careful that our channel not affected, our videos not affected. Lot of my videos get deleted. So anyway, if you have any question, this is a simple can. Don't throw your old can, you can use it, and don't throw your old SIM, you still can get internet. Because nowadays, especially in the US, Europe, Canada, Australia might be. The SIM card system is almost the iPhone. You know, we don't need to use a SIM card, right? We just can register straight to the carrier. So SIM card going obsolete. Like the reason is in the soon the other countries also will be follow, because these SIM cards getting hacked all the time and a lot, and internet companies can't afford it. They can't afford it. Like there is a free internet, and so that's why I'm making videos currently without putting SIM card inside. So if your SIM card is not inside the phone, no problem, because many countries, the iPhone or Galaxy, in the future the SIM card option will be completely finished. Hope you understand my point. I don't want to go much detail so I can have problem for the future talk. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for others. See you.